Hey everyone, how's it going again? We're back in the shop, and we're doing another Pokemon card opening. Today we have another Pokeball. So this time it's a Great Ball. From the last time, they changed it to a Pokemon coin instead of stickers, which I kind of like the stickers better. Anyway, let's get to opening this. Okay, that was satisfying. This time, this one just barely has any dents or anything on it. So that's good. Anyway, there's just a couple little whatever. Okay. Let's get it open. Ooh. Oh, this time I have two Lost Origins. Okay. What Pokemon is it? Oh, another Pikachu. I already have a Pikachu, but it's not the worst thing. Let's see. I guess since we have two Lost Origins, we'll open a Lost Origin. Oh, another one of these, which I actually started playing, so I will use that. Alright, let's see this. A Nuzleaf. Ooh, I actually need a Nuzleaf. That's good. Hariyama. Not bad. To me, anyway. A Swanna. I think it's a... Huh? What's this? A V-Star card, I guess? I'll set that over there. Dustox. Cool. Electrike. Kinda shiny. A Paris. I actually needed a Paris. So that's good. Azora! Hisuian Zora. Zorua, whatever you want to call it. Zorua. Finion. I think I already have a Finion. A Blubug. I already know I have a Blubug. And a Ducklet. Oh. I love this artwork. I think I said before in my last video, it looks like they're made of clay or something. Let's go with Chilling Rain next. Alright. Another one. Good. Wonder what it is. Ooh, an item. I'll look at that later. A supporter. I'll look at him later too. A Thwacky. I don't think I have a Grookey, but it's nice. Okay, that's worth it. I need more energy cards. Ampharos, yes! But I don't have a Flappy. Dang. Another Clobopus. But this one has a sheen to it. So that's awesome. Heracross. I think I got one again last time. Could have been different. A Ralts. Okay. That's nice. Quillfish. It's just normal Quillfish. I want to find a Hisuian Quillfish. Those are also nice. Castform. Okay. That's sick. And a Weedle. A Weedle. Okay. Time for the next Lost Origin. Or the last pack. Man, it's windy. Another one of these. Alright, first one. Lampent. I think I already have one actually. Cascoon. Not bad. Lost Vacuum. I already have a Lost Vacuum. Another energy card. Awesome. Polyrath. Ooh. Ooh, this is a nice looking card. It's a Parasect. And I actually just got a Paras, so that's nice. A-Bomb! I love A-Bomb. They're just so cute. Clefairy. Again, I think I already have one. Slugma. Lickitung. That's a very cute picture. I also really love Lickitung. And the last Pokemon for this entire pack. Oddish. That's good. I actually like Oddish. In, I want to say, Let's Go Pikachu and Eevee, Oddish was like really powerful in that. So if any of you guys know what this V-Star card is, I would really love to know, because it's just weird and doesn't make sense. Because I also think it took the place of the one energy card. In the comments below, leave which card you thought was the best out of all the ones I pulled today. I really love this Parasect card. It's so beautiful. It kind of reminds me of the... I got a Pidgey one a while ago. Let me show you what I got yesterday, because it is amazing. I got this Battle Academy set, and it has its own battlefield. So I'm pretty stoked about this one. I picked it up at Walmart, and it was only close to $8. So that was incredible, to say the least. Not to mention, it came with, not one, not two, but 3 entire decks. As well as a metallic coin. I love the metallic ones. Just so shiny. Anyway. Plus a bunch of damage markers, but I really don't want to take them out, so here they are inside the box. I think I lost one actually, so I'm not completely sure if they're all there, but I have a lot of them. All of that for close to $8. That is insane. I really just wanted the cards and the battlefield. So if anyone out there knows anything more about these cards, especially this flippin' V-Star card, please let me know. And I don't know. I guess, bye.